I still got crabs though, but we're doing Nationals Hot, Flirty Birds Nationals Hot Chicken, and we got the Sando today. But not only the Sando, we got the scorching hot one, the hottest one you can get, dude. So let's open this up. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Woohoo. Damn, this looks like a big sandwich too. Gonna pull this out. Alright. Ooh, man, this is a chicken sandwich, dude. You got your coleslaw sauce, pickles, your chicken, and more sauce in the bottom. You gotta love that, dude. Take a good look at that. Let's give it a taste. Mmm. 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 Oh man. Mm. 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 Woo. Mm. 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 Oh man. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. That is one spicy chicken sandwich, dude. Ooh. I think I got the hiccups. Ooh. Man, that sandwich is good. Love that Nashville chicken, dude. Love the spice. Oh yeah, I got the hiccups. Oh man, I give this sandwich a 4 out of 5 stars. And remember, like, follow, reshare, repost, and rewatch. Remember, I love you guys.